Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're camping near Marshall Lake near Flagstaff, Arizona. Now we're about to hop into the Cooking Camper and make some bacon grilled cheese. Come along and I'll show you how. For this recipe we only need 3 ingredients. We've got cheese, bacon, and bread. Now the first step in this recipe is taking our bacon and cutting it up. And for this recipe I am just going to cut the bacon directly in half. And then once you've got it cut in half, we are going to turn on our cooktop to a medium high to high. And we will just put that bacon right in there. And for this recipe, I am actually using 6 slices of bacon, and I have 1 extra slice for the Glamper Camper. Now with induction cooktops, they do cook a little unevenly sometimes. So if some of your pieces are done, you'll just take those out as they finish. We like our bacon extra crispy, and then we can just flip these ones over and we'll just let those keep going. And then we'll just take this grease, and you want to make sure that your bowl is heat safe, and then pour that into the bowl. Get Zena. No, get her. So Zena is interrupting our video.
Zena, do you want some grilled cheese?
So we are gonna start assembling. Now we've got this delicious brioche loaf, and we are going to be using this to make 6 sandwiches tonight. So you will just take, I guess Zena wants to be in this shot. So you'll just take a piece of your bread. Now I've turned the heat down to pretty much a low, and just pop that on there. And then our cheese, we are using a slice of provolone, so it'll be 1 slice of bacon that's cut in half, and a slice of cheddar, and another bun, and I will build a couple more for you. And then in order to melt the cheese, you can also pop a lid on it. Give it 1 to 2 minutes on each side. We can go through and flip. We are also going to add another slice of cheese to make it like a provolone crusted grilled cheese. And you'll just slice it open, and there is our delicious bacon grilled cheese. We hope that you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Try out this recipe. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Now real fast, Zena wants to say goodbye. We'll see you in the next one.